What if the secret to a healthier heart wasn't some serious workout or a diet you can't stick with, but a simple, soothing ritual you could do every single night? What if you could turn your hours of sleep into an active healing session for the lifelines of your body, your arteries? It might sound too good to be true, but the reality is, your body is an incredible, self-healing machine. When you sleep, you're not just shutting down, you're entering the most important state of repair and regeneration, and studies published on PubMed indicate that quality sleep is linked to cardiovascular repair. During these critical hours, your body is fixing damaged cells, making restorative proteins, and clearing out the junk that builds up during the day. This is your body's night shift, a dedicated crew working tirelessly to maintain every system, including your vast cardiovascular network. Now, what if you could give that night shift the perfect tools to do its job even better? Right. Your arteries are the unsung heroes of your body, a 60,000-mile-long network of flexible tubes carrying oxygen-rich blood to every single cell. Nothing works without them. But over time, these crucial pathways can face a silent, relentless attack from things like chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, which is basically a form of biological rust, and the slow buildup of plaque, a process the British Heart Foundation identifies as a key factor in many heart and circulatory conditions. This condition, known as atherosclerosis, is the hardening and narrowing of arteries due to the buildup of plaque, which is a mix of fat, cholesterol, and other substances. It is often called a silent disease, as it develops without symptoms for years. The process is triggered by inflammation, which, according to the American Heart Association, AHA, damages the smooth inner lining of the artery. This damage creates a rough spot where cholesterol and other materials can stick and accumulate. Over time, this buildup narrows the artery, restricting blood flow and raising blood pressure. The most critical danger, also noted by the AHA, occurs when these plaques become unstable and rupture. This rupture can cause a blood clot, leading to a heart attack or stroke. The British Heart Foundation identifies this process as the root cause of cardiovascular disease, a leading cause of death. In this video, we're going to look at 3 specific science-backed teas. We'll explore the powerful compounds they contain and explain in simple terms how they work to protect, relax, and calm your arteries while you rest. This isn't about a magic overnight cure. It's about giving your body consistent, targeted support to help it do what it does best: heal itself. This is about turning a simple nightly routine into a profound act of self-care for your heart. Let's dive in. Tea number 1, Rooibos tea. Our first tea is a naturally sweet, caffeine-free brew from the mountains of South Africa, Rooibos tea. Made from the leaves of the Aspalathus linearis shrub, Rooibos, or red bush tea, has been enjoyed for centuries, and a scoping review available on PubMed confirms it has been shown to boost antioxidant status in both healthy and at-risk individuals. I call it the protector, because its main job is to shield your arteries from the damaging effects of oxidative stress, a key trigger in the development of atherosclerosis. The power of Rooibos lies in its unique and potent blend of antioxidants, especially one called aspalathin, which is found almost exclusively in the Rooibos plant. Research published in PubMed notes that aspalathin has gained significant interest for its antioxidant properties and its potential role in improving conditions related to oxidative stress. Think of aspalathin as a dedicated security detail for your arteries. Every day, your body contends with unstable molecules called free radicals. They are byproducts of metabolism, but their numbers increase from factors like pollution, a poor diet, and stress. These free radicals cause cellular damage through a process known as oxidative stress, and the American Heart Association has stated that risk factors like high cholesterol can injure the heart, initiating an inflammatory response that leads to plaque buildup. This damage creates inflammation, the first step in the formation of plaque. This is where rooibos tea shines. The aspalathin and other antioxidants like quercetin neutralize these harmful free radicals, protecting your arterial walls and helping to keep them smooth and damage-free. Research published in PubMed Central has shown that rooibos can prevent inflammation and lipid oxidation thanks to its potent antioxidant compounds, but the benefits don't stop at defense. Studies have also shown that rooibos can positively impact cardiovascular health in other ways. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that participants at risk for cardiovascular disease who drank 6 cups of rooibos daily for 6 weeks saw significant improvements in their lipid profiles, including a decrease in bad LDL cholesterol. Another study noted it may act as a natural ACE inhibitor, which helps blood vessels to relax, potentially lowering blood pressure. So why drink it before bed? Being naturally caffeine-free, rooibos is an ideal evening beverage. By introducing these powerful antioxidants into your system just before you sleep, you're providing crucial support during your body's peak repair and regeneration window, an idea supported by research showing rooibos can reduce oxidative damage. You're calming oxidative stress right before the night shift begins its work, allowing for more effective healing of the arterial lining. For a perfect cup, simply steep 1 tea bag, or about 1.5 teaspoons of loose-leaf rooibos in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes. It has a naturally sweet, earthy flavor that needs no additions, making it a perfect way to begin your body's nightly session of arterial protection. Tea number 2, chamomile and cinnamon tea. Our second tea is a warming, aromatic blend that combines a soothing flower with a powerful spice, chamomile and cinnamon. We can call this combination the cleanser. Its primary job is to target and quiet the chronic inflammation that fuels the growth of arterial plaque, a process the American Heart Association confirms is central to cardiovascular disease. The British Heart Foundation states that chronic inflammation is a culprit in many heart conditions, as the immune response to damage in the artery walls contributes to them becoming hardened and narrowed. The damage is driven by a persistent, low-grade fire inside the artery walls. The first hero of this blend is chamomile, long celebrated for its calming effects. Its power comes from a potent antioxidant flavonoid called apigenin. Research published in a PubMed Central Indexed journal confirms that apigenin has significant anti-inflammatory properties, working at a molecular level to help block the pathways that trigger inflammation. By reducing this inflammation, apigenin helps protect the artery lining from the initial damage that allows plaque to take hold. Now, let's add its partner, cinnamon. This beloved spice is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Cinnamon is also a potent anti-inflammatory and is packed with antioxidants that fight free radical damage. Meta-analyses in PubMed have shown that cinnamon can help significantly reduce bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while also helping to manage blood sugar levels, all of which are major contributors to artery disease. When you combine chamomile and cinnamon, you get a beautiful synergy. Chamomile provides a deep, soothing anti-inflammatory effect that also promotes restful sleep, the body's ultimate repair state, as noted in studies on PubMed. Cinnamon joins in to fight inflammation while also tackling the metabolic issues like high cholesterol and blood sugar that drive the disease process. The overnight benefit is clear. Sleep is when your body is primed for detoxification and repair. Drinking a warm, fragrant cup of chamomile and cinnamon tea before bed delivers a powerful anti-inflammatory arsenal just as your body's cleanup crews are getting to work. By helping to turn down inflammatory signals, you're allowing your body to focus on restoration. This blend is naturally caffeine-free. To make it, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in hot water. Then, simply add a small cinnamon stick or a half teaspoon of powdered cinnamon to your cup. It's a comforting and highly effective way to prepare your body for a night of cleansing and healing. Tea number 3. Hawthorn tea. Our third and final tea is a legendary heart tonic that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Made from the berries, leaves, and flowers of the Crataegus tree, hawthorn tea is a gentle yet powerful brew that we can call the relaxer. Its primary mission is to relax your blood vessels, improve circulation, and gently lower blood pressure, creating a low-stress environment for your arteries to heal overnight. High blood pressure, or hypertension, puts constant strain on the delicate endothelium of your arteries. As the American Heart Association explains, risk factors like high blood pressure can injure the heart and arteries, triggering an inflammatory response. Imagine a garden hose under extreme pressure day and night. Eventually, it wears down. Similarly, high blood pressure creates tiny injuries in the artery walls, which become sites for plaque formation. This continuous stress prevents your arteries from getting the rest they need to repair. Hawthorn tea works its magic through its rich concentration of powerful compounds like flavonoids and oligomeric proanthocyanidins, OPCs. Research published on PubMed Central suggests these compounds, common in many plant-based foods, act as natural vasodilators by increasing nitric oxide production, which helps relax and widen blood vessels. This vasodilation makes it easier for blood to flow through your body, which not only improves circulation, but also helps to lower blood pressure, reducing the daily strain on your heart. Research indicates that hawthorn extract can improve exercise tolerance, reduce symptoms of heart failure like fatigue, and help lower blood pressure in those with hypertension. A study published in the British Journal of General Practice found that participants with hypertension who took hawthorn for 10 weeks showed a significant reduction in diastolic blood pressure. How does this connect to our overnight healing strategy? During deep sleep, your blood pressure should naturally decrease in what's called a nocturnal dip. This gives your entire cardiovascular system a much-needed break. Research in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology has shown that for many people, this dip is reduced or absent, meaning their arteries are under high pressure around the clock, increasing cardiovascular risk. Drinking a warm cup of caffeine-free hawthorn tea before bed can help promote this crucial rest period. By helping to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure before you even fall asleep, you are encouraging that restorative nocturnal dip. This creates the perfect low-pressure conditions for your body's repair crews to work on your arteries, much like road repairs are best done when traffic is light. To prepare it, you can use 1 pre-made tea bag or steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hawthorn berries or leaves in hot water for about 10-15 minutes. It has a mildly tart and slightly sweet flavor. As a naturally caffeine-free drink, hawthorn is an ideal relaxer to end your day and set the stage for a night of deep arterial rest. Before we wrap up, I want to share one essential tip that applies to all 3 of these teas. Be mindful of sugar. I've mentioned avoiding added sugar in your tea, and there's a critical reason for that. Consuming added sugar is one of the worst things you can do for your arteries. In a scientific statement, the American Heart Association has linked excessive consumption of added sugars to several metabolic abnormalities and adverse health conditions. When you consume a lot of sugar, it causes a rapid spike in your blood glucose. This process leads to the production of harmful substances called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which studies in PubMed have shown are related to arterial stiffness. High sugar intake also triggers a major inflammatory response, can raise bad LDL cholesterol, and may lower good HDL cholesterol, according to the American Heart Association. In short, adding sugar to your healing herbal tea is like trying to put out a fire with one hand while pouring gasoline on it with the other. You are actively undermining the powerful benefits of the antioxidants in these teas, as explained in a study from PubMed showing a high intake of dietary AGEs is associated with increased inflammation. So please, commit to drinking these teas unsweetened. Let your taste buds adjust to their natural flavors. If you need a little something extra, a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime is a fantastic, health-promoting alternative. This simple commitment will ensure every cup you drink is a step toward healing. And that's our lineup. 3 powerful, science-backed herbal teas, each with a unique role in supporting the health of your arteries while you sleep. We have Rooibos tea, the protector, armed with unique antioxidants like aspalathin to shield your arteries from oxidative stress. We have Hawthorn tea, the relaxer, to gently lower blood pressure and create a calm state for overnight repair. And we have the chamomile and cinnamon combo, the cleanser, a potent anti-inflammatory duo that works to quiet the fires of chronic inflammation. Remember, this isn't about a one-time miracle. It's about the consistent, nightly practice of giving your body the right tools to support its natural repair cycles. It's about transforming your sleep from a passive state of rest into an active, intentional period of healing for your cardiovascular system. By incorporating one of these soothing teas into your nightly routine, you are making a simple yet powerful investment in the long-term health of your heart.
And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.